If you play 100%, that's important. Rather, winning and losing is secondary. Definitely, I think now in India, in badminton especially, the youngsters are doing really well. And down the line, you can see many of the youngsters can get medals for the country. And it's only one thing, I think you have to keep working hard. That's the key for success, is what I feel. It shouldn't be that, you win a match and you think that everything is done, okay, I won everything. It's not that way, but I think every day is a new start. Every day is a new learning process. You learn a lot more. And for me especially, I'm still learning. And for me, it's just step by step and it's just the beginning. Well, as you know, I started at the age of 8.5. And my first coach was Mehboob Ali. I used to play near the railway grounds where my dad used to play. My dad was a volleyball player, and besides there was a badminton coach, so that's how I started off. It was for fun, but then initially I was like, okay, I want to continue playing. And when I was 10, I shifted 10.5, I shifted to Gopi Chand Academy. And since then till now I've been training under Gopi sir. And it's more of like year by year, step by step I've been improving. And there were a lot of sacrifices, yes. There were ups and downs, yes. But I think I'm very thankful to my parents that they always believed in me. And they supported me no matter what. And I think because of them and because of Gopi sir as well, he believed in me and he trusted me that, okay, Sindhu can do it. Sometimes, when I lose matches, like in the finals, I always think, what's happening? I mean, everybody would have that feel, what happened? Why did you lose in the finals? Or even I feel the same way, but I think, again, I go back to my room and think that maybe, because of my mistakes, I see my matches and I feel that, okay, it's not over yet. There are a lot of tournaments. This is not the end. And coming till here is a very big thing. And I mean, I kind of motivate myself and take positivity from that and take positivity from my match. And I go learn my mistakes, practice them and not do those mistakes again in the matches. And I don't keep thinking that, I lost in the finals, how will I play the next match? I mean, if you think like that, I think you just keep losing all the time rather than you just forget about it and focus on the next match. Like, especially in the World Championships last year, I came to the finals and I thought I have to,
you
course,
the 2018 Championships?
2018. And I lost to Carolina. So before that, I generally, whenever I play any tournament, like any tournament in the finals, I never think about the before tournament where, okay, Sindhu, I've lost and I have to play well now, I should not lose. I never thought that. Every time it was a fresh start and it was a fresh final for me. But especially after the World Championships where I was leading and I lost the match, I was very upset with myself that, I had 2 bronze, 2 silver. I should have won. I got an opportunity. I should have won. But I think my parents told me that, my sister told me that, it's okay. You've played really well. You've come to the finals. It's not so easy to come to the finals, especially after the playing in 2017, like a marathon match against Okuhara. And you again prove yourself. I know you've lost, but that's another thing altogether. You've done your best, you've given your best. If you play 100%, that's important. Rather, winning and losing is secondary. That's what they told me. And I took it in a very positive way and I thought, fine, it's okay. I don't actually think about what people think. It's more of like I just go onto the court by myself and I just give my best and focus on that particular point and that particular set or whatever it is. It is not even the match that I want to win when I'm on court. It's just that, okay, I have to take the next point. That only goes in my mind. Because, if you think, oh, okay, I have to win this match and I have to prepare for the next match, that would add an extra pressure. And if you think about people and the responsibilities that they have on you, that, wherever I go for a tournament, whenever I go for a tournament, people expect a medal from me, which is not possible all the time. I understand, they show a lot of love, a lot of support towards me, but maybe I can't give them my 100% at times, but I just think for myself that, okay, Sindhu, it's just for you, yourself. You have to just go onto the court and give your best. And if you win, it's good for you, it's good for people, and everybody will be happy at the end of the day. See, winning and losing is a part of life. So it keeps happening. You can't change anything about it. But it's very important that if you have a goal in your life, aim in your life, then you would just think, okay, fine, I've lost, it's fine, it's okay. I have to go back to training. I have a lot more to change in myself. It's not that, I don't feel it's a burden or it's very hectic that I don't want to train. Maybe one day you might feel, oh, I lost, why am I losing? You might just think, but the other day is like, it's a routine for you. You just get up. If you don't go for practice, in fact, if you don't go for practice, I feel I'm just bored at home.